Hi guys, welcome to DIY with Leny. Today I'm going to show you the update on the flower pots that I made last month. I made a series from part 1 to part 8, and this is part 8 of the series. I would like to show you what it looks like now, before and after videos. So let's jump into it. We're gonna start in the front door of the house. So last time when I took the video for part 7, this pot had a begonia. I was gone for a month. I went to Wisconsin and helped out with my children. And when I came back, one of the begonia died, and it was, I think, overwatered or lack of water. I don't know. Anyway, so I pulled it out, and this is what it looks like now. It's very full. So I'm not complaining. It looks very healthy, and I'm very happy with it. And also the impatiens on the other side. This part over here, it's still thriving, and the begonia is very healthy. It looks like it's about done, the flower. So I'm gonna have to clean that up eventually. And these are the hostas I transplanted last month. It's very hot in Missouri, and it's a drought. Haven't been raining lately. Probably rained like a couple times, but that's about it. So they look pretty sad, but I did clean this up when I came back from Wisconsin. The shoot or the flowers actually came out, and I had to trim them all. So in my next video, I will be showing you how to do that. I actually missed the part where the peonies bloomed. I saw the buds. You know, it was blossoming, but it didn't really bloom when I was here. This is the south side of the house. I'm going to be posting the picture of before, and then this is the after a month later. This is the Super Bells. I forgot the name of it. Super Tunia, I mean. Super Tunia, not Super Bells. This is from Proven Winners, and then the verbena, I just cleaned it, so I did had them, so it doesn't look a lot of blooms in there, but it looks so beautiful and lush. And the coleus is getting big, so I'm trying to trim a little bit of it. This is my Super Tunia pink bubblegum from Proven Winners a month later. Look at how huge that is. They're so big. There's only 2 of those plants, and the coleus really thrived. Unfortunately, we lost the dahlia in the middle of this one right here. This verbena didn't really grow that big. It's supposed to spill, but oh well. They look good though. There you go. This is the other side of the pot. Unfortunately, the coleus is wilting. I watered it and I did trim some of the stems, so maybe that's why it's stressed out. Other than that, the Super Tunia is very healthy looking. The verbena, I'm not sure. It didn't do well here. All the sedums are blooming and they look like broccoli right now, like green broccoli. Look at that. That's gonna turn into pink, and then in fall it's gonna turn into burgundy. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy this tour of the part 8. Don't forget to watch the rest of the series if you haven't done yet. Thank you so much for watching DIY with Leny, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.